Hi everyone, it's Lucy. Okay, so quick update on this week's challenge. So our team met up early last week to basically talk about our next steps and what we need to do in order to, before we go to Monktoberfest, which is actually next week. It's coming up super soon, and I'm really excited to be filming when I get to Maine next week, and it'll be a lot of fantastic footage to share with you all. So for this week, our team decided to really get a deep understanding of the data analytics industry. We realized that although we had gotten a lot of great information from our sponsors, we don't have too much of an understanding other than the superficial structure and the basic players within the industry. So this week, I was put in charge of researching, looking at the megatrends in the industry, and the primary macro level pain points by each of the stakeholders participating in the industry. So that includes both the market research firms, such as Forrester and Gartner, the consumers or companies who purchase from these research firms, and lastly the vendors who then ask these research firms to rate them and include them in their reports to the companies. The rest of my team focused primarily on interviewing. So while the role of my research was to provide sort of a quantitative measure and more of an academic look at the industry, my teammates were provided more of that qualitative aspect and more of the nitty-gritty, opinion-based research. Between the two of us, between the two sides, we discussed a lot of the different implications, and I don't want to reveal it right now, but I think we're really set on a fantastic idea. I'm feeling pretty confident that our idea is poised to potentially disrupt the industry. And right now what we're doing is we came up with an ideation session in which we produced 7 strong ideas. Today my teammates are actually currently down at Skydeck talking to Ken Singer and running these ideas past him. Ideally we want to pick out these top 3 ideas, really flesh them out a bit in terms of the implementation, the possibility, potential wireframing, and bring each of these possible mock-ups to Monktoberfest, where we'll be able to get real-time feedback from a lot of industry experts and subject matter experts who are so familiar with the data analytics industry. Our goal is to really rely upon all this information and this wealth of knowledge that we don't have, that other people do. So as long as we can tap into that massive brain power in Maine, I think we're really off to a fantastic start, and I'm very excited to see where we go in the class.